Cops charged with murder of St. Catherine man get October 2025 trial date. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An October 5th, 2025 trial date has been set for two cops who are charged with the murder of a man in St. Catherine in 2008. Allegations are that on September 22, 2008, the police were on patrol along Joe Blaine when the team was challenged by Giovanni Robinson and he was shot and injured. The lawman reportedly seized an illegal firearm from the person. He was assisted to the Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The accused are Sergeant Gerwin Leachman of St. Catherine North Police Division and Constable Dane Hilton of the St. Thomas Police Division. When the case was mentioned in the St. Catherine Circuit Court on Thursday, Presiding Judge Justice Yvonne Brown remarks is that an old case that has been in the court system. Results from an investigation led to the Office of Director of Public Prosecutions ruling in April 2022 that Leachman and Hilton should be charged for murder. They have made numerous court appearances in the matter. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.